Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to tell you how to make international calls for the lowest price in any country. But specifically I am going to tell you about United States because I personally use United States for just rupees. I'm talking the Indian currency, rupees 236 per month. So here is the way how to do is you should make the calls through Skype. I am going to show you the plans. Here are the plans. You go on search for United. If you want to make any other country, there so one of the best plan is mobile world. Okay, this one 1091 rupees. Mobile and landline, unlimited minutes, unlimited calls through any part of the world, any country. And this one are different. United States and Canada 324 different. World, China, this one expensive for 400 minutes, but you should be going to United. You should be using, if you are calling to United States, 230 rupees per month. If or any other country, this one is the most useful for you, 1091 rupees. Let me show you about my plan. And how to purchase. You can use credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet. Wallet as UPI. If you are living in India, you can use Uni UPI. I bought it through maybe PhonePe. 236 rupees. First month will be free. It will cost around 100 rupees. I don't know about why they cost. It costs 100 rupees. It's free, but it is what it is. Thank you.